Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reveal the hidden folder or files in the Windows 11. So, if you are want to see hidden items on the file explorers on the Windows 11, let's just start by opening the file explorer in here and then go to where you want to find the folder or files. For example, I want to find hidden files on the downloads in here. So what you need to do to show the hidden files, it's pretty easy. You can go to the toolbar in here at the top until you see view, click on the drop down, and here go to show or click on show, and at the very bottom there will be this hidden item. So you can just check this or click on this to show the files and folders that are marked as hidden. Click on this, and just like that, any hidden files or folder now will be revealed. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.